Secretary. Secretary. Actually, secretary is a word originated from Latin word secretarius. Secretarius, which means a person interested. Interested, not interested. Trusted, I mean, with a secret means one can give, one can offer some confidential things. That is called as secretary. So, keeper of secrets. Secretary means keeper of secrets. The dictionary meaning of the word secretary is one employed to write or transact business. So, the term secretary means an officer who is usually entrusted with responsibilities of writing and exchanging letters, maintaining documents, and performing confidential activities on behalf of someone or any company. Today, the scope of the secretary has been widened to a greater extent. Nowadays, their functions are not limited only in carrying out some confidential functions. So, who is secretary? Secretary is a word originated from Latin word secretarius, which means keeper of secrets. One can keep confidential things. That is called. There are some kinds of secretaries also: private secretary and company secretary. Private secretary, so many leaders, political leaders, doctors, they have personal secretary, personal assistant. Personal assistant is also secretary. Assistant, secretary has two names: personal assistant and administrative assistant is also there. So personal actors have, they have PA, personal assistant, to maintain timetable, shoot timetable, or appointment timetable. It is very difficult to maintain or remember entire things, how to receive calls. Celebrity cannot receive the calls of so many people, but secretaries are there, office are there, assistants are there, so that they receive. And the lawyer or doctor, actor, they have their own time. Otherwise, if they receive calls, if they send emails to each and everyone, so who, when he will or she will act? So many problems will be there. Then, private secretary is a person employed to perform some personal work, routine office work, personal work. Then, maintaining public relations. Actors, they have to maintain public relations. They have so many followers. So, in order to maintain public relations, private secretaries are recruited, receive phone calls, organize meetings, interviews on behalf of the employer. So importance, there is obviously importance. So function related to meeting, appointment dates, going to the place or location where the meeting is going to be held. That is also maintain accounts, maintaining accounts, going to the bank, deposit the account, money, amount. So such kind of accountants, personal income and expenditures, bank accounts, and He also pays out insurance premium, utility bills, etc. of the employer. Therefore, we see so many many celebrities. They don't go to the bank. Secretary go, and many business people at our local place also. I haven't seen local reputed business people who are going to bank. So for major work they have to go. For minor works they won't. Performing some literary duties. Literary duties means hmm, eminent personalities, they have their own ideas but do not have much time to write, so they dictate and their personal assistant they write the things for their employer. Some of them even write several creative stories, drama, biological stories based on their employer's oral descriptions. Yes, creative task, arrange the daily work and tour schedule and to accompany with the employer सोबत म्हणजे असणे देखील secretaryचं काम आहे. So when we see and observe the work of private secretary, when we observe and think, yes, so many times the burden of daily work schedule or routine is obviously minimized. It will minimize, it will lessen because secretary do the task of his employer. So prime minister they have secretary, not, but in private it is private. Businessman, lawyers, doctors have private secretaries, but the post which are public post, no, prime minister public post, not private post. Then collector, not private post, public. Are you getting my point? So such eminent personalities they have uh, public post, so they have secretaries, but they can't appoint, they can't appoint privately, but government will not give salary, but public posts are there, PM, whatever the post, CM, so they have secretary. So a private secretary enacts personal various kinds of roles, keeping records, accounts, acting as the mouthpiece of the employer, and even acting as an executive head of the division of the work or state level. They can be categorized on the extent of responsibilities they carried out, such as private secretary, company secretary, secretary of the ministry. As per the context, as per the responsibilities assigned to them, they are categorized into so many types: private, public, corporate secretary, etc. So thanks a lot.